Da, 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 da.
I mentioned this song. And the stories I just posted.
I don't see it. I just saw the.
Okay, I reduced them like this.
No. I'm not even. I saw the notification. As I open Instagram, I can't find it.
No, I go to my stories. Thank you. You're looking like I'm not with that.
We don't talk about nothing no more.
Are you on diet? You know what taste sounds? I hear I don't taste everything.
I've been walking through your stuff, babe, over time. Lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like that, feels like say something, cause we don't
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Saturday and I've just been busy doing stuff. Had to like give me a breakfast this morning and clean my kitchen and all of that. But there's something I really want to do this morning. I'm in my filming room, by the way. Please forget all of the mess. Like my filming room is in a state. Like there's just, I don't know, like I will definitely get to cleaning this up today. If you guys are hearing noise, the house that is next to my house, they're doing some sort of construction. Well, not construction because the house is actually fully constructed, but it's not painted and has not been lived in ever. So I think somebody just bought over the property and is trying to do like some renovations and get it ready to be lived in. So I'm guessing that that's why there's been so much noise. I haven't been able to do any real recording in this office in the last week. You guys would have seen that maybe in one of my last videos I had to go to my parents' house to go and film because there's so much noise. But anyway, I want to sort out my makeup drawers. I feel very overwhelmed. You know, I have just one face and I've had so much makeup that I haven't even touched maybe in the last 6 months, 1 year. Like not new makeup products, like what I've used in the past, but like I just don't funk with them anymore. So I really want to declutter. Yeah, that's the word. I want to declutter my makeup drawers. To be honest, I'm actually going to be doing some sort of decluttering around my house. I want to declutter some clothes. All right, I want to declutter some of Mia's stuff that she may never really use anymore. I want to declutter under my staircase, the staircase that leads to my apartment. I want to declutter under because there's a lot of junk that we just kept there in the name of we'll use it again one day, and I know deep down within me that we will never ever use any of those stuff again. Well, many of those stuff again. So like for the next couple of weeks I want to do some sort of decluttering. I also want to rearrange my pantry and look, a lot that's just in my head, but you guys will definitely see as time goes on. For today though, I want to bring out all of the makeup that I know that I will never really touch anymore, and clothes as well. I think I already know who I want to give most of these things to, the girls in my mom's house. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so this is makeup drawer 1. It's always arranged, but it looks like a mess right now. And then this is makeup drawer 2. I just need to declutter a lot of things that I do not use anymore. For instance, all of these color pop eyeshadows, I haven't touched them in years at this point. I'm not going to be sentimental about anything. I just want to pick out things and give them away or throw them away if they are too old, to be honest. So let me get to doing that.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
I think I'm gonna be giving out this as well. I barely use glitter, guys. Like, I don't use glitter ever, so I might give this out.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on.
For powder palettes, I'm only keeping this 2. This gold kit, I barely reach for this. I have enough highlighters to last me a lifetime. Even this one, I barely use this one. This one, however, is one of my favorite highlighters ever. This is an OG old palette, but I love it so much, so I'm still going to keep it. This is also a very good palette. Very good. This, I don't think I want to keep this, so I might be giving this one out. There's no way in hell I'm giving out any of my Juvia's Place palettes. No way. All of my Juvia's Place palettes are bay. I have just 3 of them, so I'm not giving them out for anything in the world. I've not really used this before, it is new, so I think I'll keep this. This is a Zaran palette. I reach for this every now and again, so I'll keep this. The Stanley X Zekel palette. I reach for this once or twice, so yeah, I'll keep this one. This one, OG, oldie but goodie. I'm keeping this one definitely. The colors are so good. So yeah, everything else here is going
Down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Hi guys. Hi. Okay, today is Sunday. We just got back from church. Hi girl. Mia. Hi. We just got back from church and school starts tomorrow. All right, school resumes tomorrow after a long ass holiday.
Yay!
But
Excited!
you're excited. Aren't you always excited? Huh? Aren't you always excited? Can I see your cute face, please? But yeah, I'm just taking this madam to go and get her hair done, ready for school. The same thing we do every other time we go to the salon, losing what she's carrying, wash it, and then make something new for school. So that's where we're off to right about now. I think I would also stop and pick a few things for school. I think she's almost out of snacks, you know, like school snacks. So I'm going to have to stop and pick up a few things, maybe to last her the next 2 weeks or so. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I already have all of her uniforms and stuff washed and ironed and ready for school to begin. Mommy's excited but not excited. Excited because I mean, when she's off at school, I have time to do other things for myself. I have time to work. I have time to just plan myself and do things. But on the other hand, the fact that I'm going to have to now resume getting up at 6 a.m. every day to get her stuff ready for school, get her ready for school, do school run and all of that, I'm not looking forward to that part. Okay, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, anyway, let's go. I want us to go early before people start coming to the salon. It's just 15 minutes past 1 p.m. It's a Sunday, so they don't really have that much people on Sundays, but then you never can tell. So the earlier we go, the better. All right, baby, you ready? She's so busy. You like that? Yeah, always showing them different things.
You know that I want to be good for you.
You know that I wanna be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? That I'm just being me. Sometimes we're just colliding, and we keep on fighting. But we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you weak. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here. Don't
Mommy, see you have so many sweets, Mom. Right, Mom?
Yeah, right.
I will help you.
Yes, baby, you can.
Okay. Yummy good.
There you go.
Hey, is it the other one? The other one too?
Yes.
Got it.
Okay, put it by yourself. Put it now.
Okay.
Maybe you want to walk. Maybe you want to walk with your cute hair. We already had gummy bears today, so no more.
Okay, Mom. Oopsie.
Oopsie.
It's not this one.
This one is the one you ate. Good girl. Good girl. Is that all? That's all, right? Okay. No, that's my drink. This one is my drink. Okay, I get it now. I get it.
No, it's not fair. Take it.
What?
Mommy, take it.
Wait, can I see you? What?
Take it.
I don't want gummy bears right now, girl.
You want your gummy bears, right?
Yeah.
You want your gummy bears.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have it after I finish eating. Where are you pushing me? I don't want gummy bears in my force. If you leave me alone. No, I don't want it. Oh, yeah, come. Let's eat rice first. Then we can have gummy bears later. Okay. So Mia is going to start school tomorrow with this bag. We've had this bag for a while. Like, it's one of the things that she was gifted as a baby, but I've just kept the bag all this time.
Mommy.
So she will resume this new session with this bag. It's bigger than the one she's been using, so that's great.
Mommy, I have 2 bags.
Yeah, you have 2 bags. That's right. That's very correct, young lady. You have 2 bags, but you're starting school with this one. Yeah, and the other one will just be like your the other one will just be like your knapsack, outing bag, and all of that, right? Okay, can I have it, please? I don't want to hear mommy. Can I have that? Can I have it? Thank you very much. I still have stew. I brought out this before I went out so that it can be defrosting. I still have my turkey stew, a bit of it. Mama, why? It's still a bit frozen though. But I want to quickly boil rice and fry some plantain that I would have with this for lunch.
Okay. It's the fridge. Oh, okay, Mom.
Okay, I get it. What's dirty? If I give you a broom, are you going to sweep it? Hey! Maybe
Mommy, can you make rice and chicken?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the chicken very soon.
Mom, hurry up.
I'm sorry.
Mommy, see, this out of us. Do you?
Some plantain for my baby.
Yeah. Don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need question your love, I know it's there. And even if we don't agree, I know you care. Cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. You don't question my love, you know it's there. And even if we don't agree, you know I care. Cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. It's you and me, unconditional love. You and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay.
Yeah, I know.
Sometimes we just cry, keep on trying, cause we got unconditional love.
Have a nice day at school today.
Okay.
I love you. Can I get one kiss? Mwah. Hey guys, good evening. Hope you guys are doing well. So today is Monday. Mia resumed school today, and see, I spent literally half of the day sleeping. I was just feeling very exhausted and very tired, mentally, physically. So once I got her ready for school, I resumed waking up at 6 a.m. today. Once I got her ready for school and her dad dropped her in school, I just crawled back under my duvet and I dozed off till almost 12 noon. Like, I literally slept all morning, okay? And I thought that when I wake up, I would go about, you know, doing other things, maybe try and edit some vlogs or something. But guys, I ended up not doing anything today. The last time I put out a video was about 3 days ago. My next upload should be tomorrow, Tuesday. I'm not sure when you guys be watching this though, maybe like a week after. But I feel like I'm not feeling motivated to do anything. In fact, my Instagram, nothing in the last 3 days, my YouTube, nothing in the last 3 days. Like, I'm just not. You guys, sometimes we all just need a break, man, because I'm not like, see guys. Anyway, that's not why I turned on my camera this evening. I'm literally heading out right now. I want to go to the Miniso that is close to me because I'm trying to get some organization racks or something. What do they call those things? Organization baskets for my pantry. So my pantry literally just looks like I place everything on the shelves without putting them in like containers, you know, or organization stuff. And I'm really trying to like organize a lot more things in my house. I recently decluttered under my staircase where I store a lot of things, and that was so therapeutic to do today. So I'm just trying to declutter and just organize and make my home look a little bit nicer. So I want to go and check, and I am keeping my fingers crossed and hoping that I find this in this Miniso, because I'm not about to start worrying about where to find these things. I just hope they have something like that there. So that's where I'm going to right now. And yeah, I haven't left my house in what, a day or two, so another excuse to leave the house. Anyways, let's go.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If you two knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, me and you. What we do, it stays between me and you. Hey, please don't touch me like that. Cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do this. I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it,